Data quality management in clinical data management. Hello again. As we have explored the world of clinical data management, one thing is clear: data is the cornerstone of clinical trials. But not just any data, it must be high quality, reliable data. Today, we are going to talk about data quality management, including data validation and cleaning. Importance of data quality. Why does data quality matter? In clinical trials, data informs everything from safety assessments to efficacy determinations. Poor quality data can lead to incorrect conclusions, risking patient safety and potentially delaying the availability of life-changing treatments. Data validation. This is where data validation comes in. Data validation is the process of checking the data against predefined criteria. It's like a fact checker, ensuring that the data collected aligns with what's expected. This could mean checking that a date of birth is reasonable, or that a blood pressure reading is within possible ranges. Data cleaning. Next, we have data cleaning, which involves detecting, correcting, or removing errors in the data. This might be inconsistent entries, missing data, or even outliers that don't fit the pattern of other data points. In some cases, it may involve following up with the site or investigator to resolve any discrepancies. Role of clinical data managers. Clinical data managers play a vital role in data quality management. They implement validation checks, oversee the data cleaning process, and ensure that any corrections maintain the integrity of the data. Their goal is to ensure that the data is accurate, complete, and ready for analysis. Maintaining high-quality data in clinical trials is no small feat. It requires meticulous attention to detail and a deep understanding of data management principles. But the result is reliable, actionable data that can help bring new treatments to the people who need them. Join us next time as we continue exploring the many facets of clinical data management.